Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to integrate an NPS survey into your WordPress site in just a few minutes. If you've been wanting to collect real feedback from your visitors and understand how satisfied they are with your website, this quick tutorial is for you. Let's jump right in. Start by opening your favorite web browser and heading over to the WordPress website. Once it loads, look to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Next, you'll be asked how you want to sign in. For the quickest and most secure option, choose Continue with Google. This lets you log in using your existing Google account. No need to remember another password. You'll then see a list of your Google accounts. Select the one you'd like to use, and in just a second, you'll be logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now that you're inside, look for the plus icon at the top left corner. Here, you'll see multiple options. Click whatever you want to do. Click that. This will open up your website editor where you can make changes or add new elements. Once the site editor loads, you'll see a list of your available websites. Choose the one you want to work on. It'll open in the editor view, ready for customization. Now, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a small plus icon. This is your add button for inserting new blocks or elements. Click on it, and a panel will appear with a search bar and a list of available options. In that search bar, type NPS. This stands for Net Promoter Score, which is a simple yet powerful survey that helps you measure customer satisfaction and loyalty. Once you type it in, you should see the NPS survey block appear in the search results. Click on it to add it directly to your page. Great. Now that the block is added, it's time to connect it to your specific website. You'll see a prompt asking for your URL. Go ahead and enter the exact web address where you want your survey to appear. After typing in your site's URL, click on the Launch Embed button. This step links your NPS survey to your website, making it live and functional for your visitors. Before you finish, there's one last but very important step. Look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll find the Save button. Click on Maybe Save to confirm all your changes. And that's it. Your NPS survey is now fully integrated and ready to collect valuable feedback from your visitors. With this setup, you'll be able to quickly understand how your audience feels about your site, what they love, and where you can improve, all without any complicated coding or plugins. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.